G'day, here's a nice example of a piece of knobby material from Lightning Ridge. The rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted to help bring out the colours. It's got a natural crack here. You can see it there, grit coming up. So that's the stone there. How far it goes back in there, don't know. It's got hard clay covering it. Basically that, what you can see there is the colour, not much else. Bit showing through here. Sometimes a bit of a colour underneath the clay there perhaps. Anyway, it's not a bad little stone to start on. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.